My name is Ian, and I'm an Oh, no, sorry. Wrong. Wrong. Wrong meeting. Sorry about that. I'm just going to make this very short and sweet. It's been a wonderful 16 and a half years. It's a great company to work for. Biggest regret, I wish I had started younger with the company. You guys that are young and have started here, you're in for a great future. They live up to their name and reliable. They will look after you. I'm just tired. It's become time to hang up the soldering iron and think about single malt whiskey. Oh, I'm back in that real meeting again. Jeez. The one thing you don't have to worry about is money, because I have enough money to last me the rest of my life if I die about 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then I'll be fine. But yes, I like the invitation to the golf tournament. I'd also like to be invited to the Christmas party, so that way I can come back and see everybody. But once again, it's been wonderful. I will drop by and to say hi to you all. Some I've known for a long time, some not so long. I'm going to miss a lot of you, some not so much. You know who you are. Robin. Anyway, thank you very much. It's been a great time.